Passive income may appear magical to some. Many think it involves generating money with little effort. Yet, it usually demands initial work. The goal is to create income-generating sources that continue to bring returns after the initial effort has been made. This can encompass content, digital assets, rental properties, or automated affiliate marketing systems. When managed properly, these can offer long-term financial stability. Content represents a strong avenue for revenue, even during sleep. After publication, valuable articles, tutorials, or resources can attract visitors for many years. Common formats consist of blogs, YouTube videos, and podcasts. These mediums can produce income from advertisements, affiliate sales, and digital products. Concentrate on topics that truly matter. Your content should address genuine problems. How-to guides or tutorials can consistently attract traffic over time. It's essential to emphasize quality and reliability instead of sheer quantity. Regularly developing valuable content can create a fruitful library. For newcomers, rental properties provide a traditional method of passive income. Monthly rent can generate reliable cash flow with proper management. Airbnb enables short-term rentals that can also generate income, although demand fluctuates by location. Additionally, renting tools or equipment opens another pathway for earnings. Remember, managing rentals entails ongoing responsibilities such as maintenance and communicating with tenants. Affiliate marketing offers another excellent option for generating income. This method allows you to earn commissions by endorsing products. When woven into enduring content, your recommendations can generate income over the long haul. Email lists can facilitate this process by promoting products while delivering valuable content. Be wary of unrealistic claims. Numerous ads promise quick and easy money. The reality is that building effective passive income necessitates time and dedication. Prioritize robust systems instead of seeking shortcuts. Anticipate steady growth rather than instantaneous success. Creators often achieve success by establishing multiple smaller income streams. In summary, creating passive income isn't rooted in secrets. It's about developing enduring assets that consistently deliver value. By prioritizing useful content, realistic objectives, and consistent progress, you can convert simple concepts into dependable income sources. Begin your path toward financial stability today. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides. See you in the next video.